First question. Socialization means following the social norms strictly, adjusting in society, revolting against social norms, understanding social diversity. The right answer is adjusting in society. Next. Thought not only determines language but also precede it was an idea put forward by Jean Piaget, Kohlberg, Vygotsky, Pavlov. The right answer is Jean Piaget. Next. Which of the following statement is correct in relation to concept formation by a child? Concepts are emotionally ordered. There is a set pattern of concept development. Concepts are not hierarchical in nature. Concepts are not individual. The right answer is there is a set pattern of concept development. Next. Which of the following statement is most appropriate in relation to adolescence? Increase in the incidence of emotional upheavals, carefree nature towards studies, thinking starts reflecting in concrete actions, abrupt increase in the intelligence quotient. The right answer is increase in the incidence of emotional upheavals. Next. The main characteristics of emotionally motivated children is their overreactive nature, introvert nature, balanced way of presenting their viewpoint, melancholic demeanor. The right answer is balanced way of presenting their point of view. Next question. 6. An important characteristic of formal operational stage of mental development is abstract thinking, concrete thinking, social thinking, egocentric behavior. The right answer is abstract thinking. Next. Principle of reinforcement is associated with Pavlov, Thorndike, Kohlberg, Skinner. The right answer is Kohlberg. Next question. The most important factor in the effective teaching process, punctuality exhibited by teacher and students, mastery of the content by the teacher-student dialogue, timely completion of the syllabi. The right answer is 4. Next. The best way to inculcate moral values in children is to give moral lectures in the morning assembly, put across a situation and ask students to take a decision, demonstration of moral values by teachers and elders, teaching students to differentiate between moral and immoral. The right answer is 3rd. Next. Which of the following factor is a basis for the child-centered education? Individual differences, child right, the right of children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009, all children are equal in all respect. The right answer is individual difference. Which of the following is least important in the process of thinking? Reasoning, problem, generalization, memory. The right answer is 3rd. Next. The major responsibilities of a teacher is to first, prepare lesson plans and teach accordingly, organize as many activities as possible, maintain strict discipline, provide learning opportunity as per the different learning styles of student. The right answer is 4. Next. Which of the following is most important in the process of learning? Heredity of children, style of learning, examination result of the children, economic conditions of the child. The right answer is 3rd. Next. The most appropriate way of explaining the topic purification of water is by demonstrating the process with the help of a chart, asking the students to make a model of the purification plant, taking students to the plant where the water is purified, reading from the textbook. The right answer is 3rd. The most appropriate logical predicate for the continuous and comprehensive evaluation should be assessing more than one aspect of learning, maximizing the assessment opportunities, promoting the holistic nature of human personality, increase the burden on teachers. The right answer is 1st. Next, a teacher uses a dice label describe, predict, explain, summarize, deconstruct and evaluate. Each time after a topic is completed, the teacher throws the dice and asks student to answer a question based on the location of the dice. The teacher is conducting formative assessment, provoking thoughts of students, diversifying the thoughts process of the student, finishing his her lessons in a style. Right answer is 1. Next, which characteristics of a children teacher is least important in inclusive education? Sensitivity towards children, patience and affection for student, knowledge regarding disabilities of students, socioeconomic status of teacher. The right answer is 4. Next, dash plays a significant role in the development of personality. Heredity, environment, a blend of heredity and environment, number of examination. The right answer is 3rd. Next, Mohit likes to teach children and is preparing hard for the entrance examination for B.Ed. He is dash motivated. The right answer, intrinsically, extrinsically, actively, intellectually. The right answer is intrinsically. Next, logical mathematical intelligence is associated with two-factor theory, group factor theory, hierarchical theory, multiple intelligence theory. The right answer is multiple intelligence theory. Next, actively based teaching emphasis, disciplined class, completion of activities due time, active participation by all the students, taking examination after completion of activity. The right answer is 3rd. Next, a teacher took her class on an educational trip to provide a break from the routine teaching in school, provide opportunity to children for direct observation, do the activity specified in the school calendar, provide entertainment to children. The right answer is 2nd. Next, there are 3 polio affected children in a class. During the games period, they should be seated in a corner so that these children can enjoy the game, encouraged to take part in the games appropriated for them with other children, allowed to take part only in indoor games, forced to play with all the students in the class. The right answer is 2nd. Next, according to Kohlberg, children approach thinking about right and wrong differently at different stage, in the same fashion at different stage, as per the context, as per the instruction given by the parents. The right answer is 3rd. Next, emotional catharsis means suppression of emotion, feeling highly depressed, bringing out emotional repression, increasing the ability to tolerate emotional repression. The right answer is 3rd. Next, presence of identical elements between already learned skill and new skill result in negative factor, positive factor, generalized factor, zero factor. The right answer is 3rd. Next, a teacher normally assigns different tasks to the students. She believes that students do not like assigning same work to all students. It promotes competition among students. There are individual difference among students. The student will not be able to copy each other's work. The right answer is 3rd. Next, dash are involved in thinking. Image, language, imagination, proposition. Image, imagination, concept, proposition. Imagination, language, concept, proposition. Image, language, concept, proposition. The right answer is 4. Next, continuous and comprehensive evaluation is teacher-centered, student-centered, assessment-centered, performance-centered. The right answer is student-centered. Next, which one of the following is least important in an inclusive classroom? Lesser stress on competition and grades, more cooperative and collaborative activity, more choice for students, more effort by teachers to cover course. The right answer is 4.